And again, this is a manifestation of this local silo created within the organization that needs to be broken, right? And specifically, if we talk about hardware and software collaboration, right, and engineering collaboration, right, it's understanding that the product is more than just an assembly of its parts, right? It's an understanding that we need to think about this user experience holistically that helps this. I mean, I can talk about this literally for ages, but there are multiple ways to achieve this, and we do practice quite a few of them in UST, right? We do. One example is holistic. We call them added assessments, right? So we basically strip down the product down to its individual parts, maintaining all of the perspectives, right? Like the product perspective, like what is the problem that this thing solves, right? The technological perspective, the design perspective, the user experience perspective. So this is like a 360 on the product, decomposing it, finding inefficiencies, and finding out how to fill the gaps.